we started having issues with our wastewater treatment plant. Kind of out of the blue, kind of timed up with the governor declaring an emergency for the drought. And really what it came down to was water scarcity. Not the way that most people think. Our wastewater has become a lot more concentrated, and people's habits haven't changed, even though they're conserving water. So a lot of those habits are using soaps, surfactants, different type of disinfecting agents, quaternary ammonium compounds. And all of these things used to have enough dilution because of the extra water that was coming in. Now we've taken away that water. We still have the same amount of waste, and we still have the same amount of chemical products. So a lot of our customers call us because they're having random issues with loss of nitrification in their wastewater treatment process. Odors have increased, problems with foaming in their anaerobic digesters, and it's totally random. All the engineers look at it, they think everything's running fine, they're operating within their existing parameters, and they want to know what they can do about it.